This morning, Ernesto is now a tropical storm, but the impacts from when it was a hurricane can be seen all over the island of Bermuda. The storm made landfall as a Category 1 storm on Saturday, kicking up the surf around the island. By noon, the storm had knocked out power to 26,000 customers. Ernesto brought strong winds, heavy rain, and it's also produced high surf and dangerous rip currents all along the east coast of the United States. Mike Pangley is here now. Gosh, we talked about that yesterday. You could see the surf kicking up and even hundreds, if not thousands of miles away, Mike, on our own coast.